After researching dozens of blenders, talking to 5 experts and testing 22 models over 5 years, we are confident that the Oster Versa Pro performance mixer offers the best value for most people. Once you find a blender that you like, consider a glass to store and transport mixed liquids. The Oster Versa is the best of a new generation of high-power but economical mixers. Compared to blenders of the same price, the Oster Versa speeds are more subtle. Its 1,400-watt motor runs quieter, and is one of the few models that includes a tamper to blow up airbags in thick mixtures. We do not believe that the Versa is the best absolute blender out there. It does not compare to the Vitamix mixers in terms of power and longevity. We burn our Versa after 2.5 years, but the Versa has serious mixing skills, a solid 7-year warranty and an easy-to-use design. If you do not want to throw half in a powerful blender, the Versa is your best option. If the Oster Versa is sold, or if you do not mind changing a shorter warranty for a little more energy, we would opt for the 1,800-watt Clemblend blender. The powerful motor of the Clemblend helps decimate berry seeds and ice, making creamier milkshakes and pina colada than our main selection or even Vitamix. Its newly designed jar is made of thick and durable Triton plastic, and has a comfortable handle like the Oster. Unlike the Oster, it has no preset button, and there is not much variation between low and high speeds. In our tests, the Clemblend engine has held up better than Oster's and continues to perform well after 4 years of regular use. But this blender only comes with a 5-year warranty, compared to Oster's 7 years, and since Clemblend has only existed since 2013, we are still a little unsure of the company's ability and reliability.